Oh man, I don't want to lose any of this juice. Pour the rest of it back inside so we don't lose it. I'm going to have this piece. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can get a reverse sear tri-tip as good as this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I apologize for the big old goggles here. I just had some cataract surgery done on July 1st. By the way, happy 250th anniversary. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Today we are cooking a tri-tip. And I'm going to show you how to prep it and how to cook it on the smoker. It's very easy to overcook a tri-tip, but if you follow these simple steps I'm going to show you, you're not going to have a problem. First thing you want to do, once you dry it off, you see all these little bits that are hanging off, you want to cut them off. They see here, you got a piece of hard fat right there. Anything you see that you think you should take off, like you see this flappy flap right here, this will burn and it won't cook. It'll just burn. So we're just going to go ahead and cut that right off. Then we're going to go ahead and flip this over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, everyone. Now that we have gone ahead and dried this and we trimmed off all the little bits and pieces that we want to trim off, we're going to cook this with the fat side up. I want to flip this back over this way. I just got some French's mustard. It's going to add very little bit of seasoning. The mustard is only used for a binder. Got my little fly things going on here. I love these things. Guys, if you haven't checked them out yet, make sure you check them out on my Amazon. I'll leave a link for them in the description below. All right, go ahead and rub this in. The sides, I have here some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of smoked paprika. We're going very, very simple, guys. We'll give this a quick mixing in, and we're just going to go ahead, put it on there. You can be liberal. This is a big piece of meat, and I'll also leave it in the description, the exact amounts. This side is done. Flip it over. Now that's all done. Before we put it on the smoker, we got to let it sit for a little bit. Let those seasonings get in there and get all nice and happy. Went ahead and got my smoker all set up. This is the Pit Boss Austin XL, and I have it set for 350 degrees. Very important, guys. Very, very important. Anytime you're cooking, you always want to make sure that your smoker is up to temperature before you put the food in it. I am using the competition blend pellets, so we're going to go ahead and get that tri-tip on there now. Okay, like I said, we're cooking this with the fat side up. We're looking for an internal temperature between 130 and 135. With the Pit Boss Austin XL, it has a great feature. It has a built-in thermometers that you can monitor your meat. So, find about the center part. We want to put it in about midway through. Hey everyone, I'd like to talk to you for a minute about one very important topic. Are you a YouTuber? Are you starting out in the YouTube world? Well, I'll tell you what, if you are and you're having problems getting views, you know where you have to go? vidIQ. They have free tutorials, they have classes, they have everything. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can go and check them out. I'm telling you, if you're starting your YouTube career and you're starting your journey pretty soon, or you already start your journey, you're not getting views, you need to check out vidIQ. I'll get a little bit if you decide to sign up. I get a little bit for it, but that's not why I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this because I want to see everyone you out there in YouTube world succeed. So come on, click the link down below, check them out. Alrighty, everyone, we have reached the internal temperature of 130 degrees. We're going to pull this off. We're going to let it rest, and then I'm going to show you how we take this to the next level. I'm going to do a direct sear right over the heat, right over the fire. Still got it on the fat side. Let this go for 2 minutes. All right, let's flip this over. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Nice and crusty on top. All right, 2 more minutes on this side. Alrighty, everyone. Well, it is out of the smoker. It's got some nice bark on the top. We're gonna go ahead and slice into it and see how we did. That looks so good. Tender. Cheers. Reverse sear. All right, look at the juice coming out. Guys, come on close. I'm going to show you this. Look at the juice coming out of here. Mm. Guys, can you see the juice coming out of here? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Get that juice in there. Oh, look at the smoke ring on that, guys. Oh yeah, definitely. Look at the juice. Look at the juice. Till the next one, as always, God bless and happy eats. Love you all.